My BioMaster Pet Waste bin has arrived. Make pet poo disappear the easy way. Great for the environment. Rather than using individual biodegradable bags for picking up pet waste, you just use a shovel and put the pet waste into the BioMaster bin and let the wizard do the rest. It comes flat packed with easy to follow instructions. The unit just clips together with ease. The lid is hinged to the bin and can be fastened closed. This is the base. The base is the part that goes below ground. Those slots is how far you dig the trench and wiggle the base into the ground. You don't dig a hole, you dig a trench. This is how the bin attaches to the base to keep it firm and in place. Very easy to put together. That's what the bin looks like when the base has been attached to the bin. That's how you secure the lid so that it can be closed in place. Now, like I said, you don't dig a hole, you dig a trench for the base to slot into the trench. Here's some pet waste now going into the bin. Now the soil must be kept damp, not wet at all times for the BioWizard to work properly. Sprinkle the wizard on top. Now you won't need to use a whole satchel because it takes a lot of dog poo to fill that container, and the nutrients will go into your garden. You can move that around, and that's how the bin looks in the garden, so it's quite stylish.